In this video, we'll walk you through the different iOS and Android prerequisites for device authentication as well as device policy configuration. Before getting started, make sure you have a regular Apple ID that you can use to create an APN certificate for iOS device management, and for Android device management, a regular free Gmail account also used for certification. Let's get started. Log into your Coro workspace and then go to Coro MDM. Click MDM settings. Monitoring and managing devices requires authentication mandated by Apple or Google. Let's start with iOS authentication. Apple requires adding a valid Apple Push Notification certificate. To do this, click Apple Push Notification Services, APNs. Click Create and Connect APN Certificate, and then click Download Certificate Signing Request.plist. Save the certificate signing request, CSR from Coro, we'll need this later. Click Next Step to continue. Click Apple Push Certificates portal to access their portal. Log in using your Apple ID and password. Follow the steps to obtain your APN certificate. Make sure you have the CSR from Coro that you've saved. You'll be required to upload it to complete the APN certification process. Download and save the APN certificate and then return to Coro MDM and select Next Step. Use the Upload a File box to upload the generated APN certificate to Coro MDM. In the note field, record a reminder for yourself which Apple ID you used to create the APN certificate. You'll need this again for certificate renewal when the time comes. Click Upload Certificate to continue. The view automatically refreshes, now displaying certificate details. For Android devices, the process is simpler. Google requires you to connect a customer-managed Google Enterprise account to your Coro workspace. To do this, go to MDM Settings and click Customer Managed Google Enterprise. Click Connect with Google Enterprise and then launch Google Enterprise. You're redirected to Google Play. Select Get Started. From the Business Details display, enter the name of your domain and select Next. From the next step, optionally enter your contact details, then check the box at the bottom to agree to the Google conditions and select Confirm. Finally, from the Setup Complete step, click Complete Registration. You are redirected to the console where you can now view certificate details. Now it's time to set up a policy. Policies can apply to all applications on a device or to specific ones included in an allow list you create. Additionally, each policy can include rules for both iOS and Android. Policies can also apply to a single device or network of devices. Click Policies to configure and view your policies. To create a new policy, click Create New Policy. Now name your policy and give it a description. Now configure rules for the relevant operating systems. Let's start by selecting iOS or Android policy settings, then click Add Applications to List. For iOS users, fill in the bundle IDs of the applications you want your policy to apply to and save your list. For Android users, select the package names of the applications you want your policy to apply to and save that list. That's it, you've added applications under policies you'd like applied to them. Click Save Policy. Now that you've created the certifications and policies, you can start enrolling devices. In the Coro console, go to Coro MDM and click Enroll New Device. In the Device Type dropdown, choose the relevant option. For Bring Your Own Device, choose this option from the dialog box, then click Next Step. Now enter the email address of the device owner. Click Send Invite. The device owner receives an email containing simple instructions to set up their device to work with Coro MDM. For supervised devices, check out our MDM Enrolling Company owned Android or iOS devices videos. And that's it. Once devices are enrolled, you can apply policies to them and start improving your company's security posture. Watch our other videos for step-by-step instructions to help get you started with Coro MDM.